Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer questions and answers. Fill in the blank for children. Part 9. Question number 1. Who is the inventor of mouse? Douglas Engelbart was the inventor of mouse. The mouse is an dash device. The mouse is an input device. Question number 3. A small arrow appearing on the screen is called A small arrow appearing on the screen is called a mouse pointer. Question number 4. Who was the inventor of scroll wheel? Eric Michael Mann was the inventor of scroll wheel. Question number 5. How many types of mouse? There are 3 types of mouse: 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse, and scroll button mouse. Question number 6. How many types of scroll mouse? 2 types of scroll mouse: ball mouse and optical mouse. Question number 7. When was invented of scroll wheel? In 1993, the scroll wheel was invented. Question number 8. Pressing of the mouse button is called dash. Pressing of the mouse button is called clicking. Question number 9. How many types of clicking? There are 2 types of clicking: single click and double click. Question number 10. When left mouse button is pressed once, it is called? When the left mouse button is pressed once, is called single click. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip.